Hello children. Today let's learn the comprehension of a poem titled A Prayer to Mother Nature. Do go through these points before you attempt the comprehension to make an effective comprehension. On to the poem A Prayer to Mother Nature. Beloved Mother Nature, full of purity, fill my soul with the sweetest serenity. Serenity means peace, silence, tranquility. Embrace my body so little and poor. Embrace my heart so weak. Lead my spirit to a new door, beloved my Mother Nature. Feed my existence with your light, beloved Mother Nature. Feed my essence with your might. So here the poet is praying to Mother Nature to bless him with the purity of the nature. How much pure the nature is, that much purity you fill in me. Take away all the impurity from me. Give me the peace. Give me the tranquility. Give me the trust in God, wherein we see the nature, whatever we see in the nature, completely dependent on God. Make me so. My body is so small, little and poor. Embrace me, hug me, give me your warmth. Embrace my heart and lead me to a new door. Keep me optimistic, hopeful, always enduring and persevering. Beloved my mother, feed my existence with your light. Give your light to me, O Mother Nature. Feed my essence with your might. Feed me, give me the strength and courage and boldness to face the challenges of this world. Feed me with your might. On to the objective type questions. Who is the speaker of this poem? Is it the mother? Is it the father? Is it the brother? Or is it the son or daughter? So here, mother. Who would call anyone a mother? The child of the mother calls the mother as mother. So the poet here is addressing nature as mother. So the poet should be considered as the son or daughter, or you can say the child. So the right answer is son or daughter. On to the second question. Lead my spirit into a new door means, what does that mean, into a new door? Are there any doors over there? No. Is it taking him to neighbor's door? Is it making him to handle new situations or challenges? Or making him happy always? Or preventing him from bad company? The right answer is making him handle new situations and challenges. On to the question and answers. Answer the following questions. What is the central theme of the poem? The central theme of the poem is Mother Nature strengthening the poet, or the prayer of the poet to mother, or the thirst for purity and hope, whatever way you can write, but Mother Nature should be mentioned in your answer. On to the next question. How is the mother's love described in the poem? Mother's love is described to be the sweetest serenity filled with light and might. Or you can also say, mother's love is described to be extremely peaceful. Serenity indicates peace, which fills us with brightness and strength. Same thing I have written in two versions. First one is in the poetic version. Second one is in the ordinary language version, which we can understand. So the second one stands good because it is an inferential answer. On to the next question. Do you like your mother? If yes, why? Yes, I love my mother because my mother forgives my every mistake and helps me strengthen myself physically and mentally to face the challenges of the world. So this answer is up to you, children. You can write whatever you like in your mother, but try to be brief and precise. Do not write much because it's just for 1 mark, and brevity is very much called forth in the answer. So be precise and apt. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you for watching. Do comment in the comment box. Forget not to click the like button and do subscribe. Thank you and have a bright day.